Hey everyone, I have another story for you today. This is by Carmen Wilson and Chapman. Love this author and illustrator because they have a series of books about Bear and his friends. This book, if you can't already tell, is about sleeping, one of my favorite things. This story is called Bear Snores On. And every time I say that phrase, Bear Snores On, I need everyone to go to sleep and snore. Alright, let's get started. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. When bears sleep like that all winter long, it's called hibernation. Hibernation. There we go. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Go to sleep. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tip-toe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Warm up his hands. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Go to sleep. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare is another name for a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." They pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. Oh, excuse me. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Like a sharers. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Go to sleep. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and the wren and the raven flutter in through the door. The wren and the raven are different types of birds. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. There are a lot of friends in there. They tweet and they twitter. Oh, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on.
Psst. Miss Sydney.
Oh, sorry, I'm still reading. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. He's still sleeping, that's good. Hare soaks the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Achoo! Oh my goodness, I wish he would have caught that sneeze. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Ooh, he's really not looking happy. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. I would be kind of scared if I saw someone that mad. "You snuck in my lair and you had all fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh, so at first he was mad. But now he's really sad. He realized all of his friends were there without him. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew some more tea. Oh, is he mad anymore? Is he sad anymore? I see a big smile on his face. Bear gulps and he gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That's the end. Let's take a look now at the front cover. This is where the title of our story is, our author and our illustrator. Here's the spine of our book, and here's the back. And we're going to see if that makes one big picture or two separate. If I look front and back, what's my guess? What's your guess? Look, monkey. I see one big picture. I see the bear sleeping from front to back and all through his lair. Very cool. I don't know about you, but I think Miss Sydney now needs a nap. Have a good one. Bye.